Hello, my dear classmates. In this moment, I talk about the Nazca lines. This place was considered a humanities patrimony in December 17 of 1994 by UNESCO. This culture is very important because we can know about some customs of the Nazca culture. For example, the land irrigation. Many people say that the lines represent underground water channels and advanced aqueduct systems. This topic is very important because this place is in a desert. Other topic is, is that many people believe that the lines are roads to spiritual center. In fact, in the temple was found a brain hanging from a rope. This is a very bad practice of this culture. And others people said that this place were created by aliens to land on Earth. Finally, today the Nazca Lines was considered a mystery place, but if you can go to visit, it is very interesting, a good place to meet it from the here. Thank you.